reason to start your business in 2022. You see, if you're watching this video, you're probably an employee or you're hoping that you will start a business, but you're not so sure whether this business you should start or not. And in this video, hopefully, I'll give you the 5 reasons which will inspire you to start the business, why this is the best time to start in business, especially in India in 2022 and even in 2023. The reason number 1 is knowledge Zenith Age. You see, historically, we have come from Stone Age to farming age to industrial age to IT age to social media age to now there's a new age called knowledge Zenith Age. Now this is the age, unlike all the other ages, which has opened up new windows, new opportunities for people like us coming from poor families and middle class families where we can also build a business. Think about this. There are people who are youngsters in their 20s who are video editors and making 40, 50 lakhs a year. There are people who are just social media managers, managing 3, 4, 5 Instagram accounts and still making 30 to 50 lakhs a year. There are people who are high ticket closers making about 70 lakhs a year. मतलब आज ये समय आ गया है कि people can take the knowledge and exchange for money. Unlike the farming age, they had to exchange the food for money. Unlike industrial age, they had to exchange physical product for money. Unlike the IT age, where you have to exchange the data and information and tool for money. Today, you can exchange the knowledge, your wisdom. If you can solve a problem for somebody, that knowledge can be converted into money. This is the reason why a lot of coaches and trainers are thriving. And in India, this market is way, way underutilized. If you want to be a coach, if you want to be a trainer, if you want to be a consultant, if you want to, have some services, perfect time to start your business. Do not be too late because window stays open for a very short period of time. And there are so many surveys which has been saying that so many people are leaving their jobs to become freelancers, become solopreneurs, become coaches, become trainers. And there'll be so many people who will lose their job if they don't choose. You lose the job if you don't choose the business. It's a knowledge Zenith Age. Leverage the knowledge, the skill, the wisdom that you have. Solve a problem for somebody, add value to somebody, and people will pay you money. Okay, that's number 1 reason. The reason number 2, low or no investment to start a business. You see, earlier when you used to start a factory, you need to have a lot of capital investment required. You have to have factory, you have to have machine, you have to have people, you have to have production, you have to have raw material, distribution, storage. कितना सारा चीज था. पर आज के समय में अगर आपको बिजनेस शुरू करना है, if you want to start a business, all you need is your knowledge, your skill and your ability to make a difference. Today you can even get funded. Startup culture तो बहुत बढ़ गया है. So if you have knowledge, you don't even need your own money, even if you have a physical product. Shark Tank is growing. The culture in India is growing of entrepreneurship. पहले क्या होता था, बचपन में जब आप बड़े छोटे थे तब माँ बाप बोलते थे बेटा डॉक्टर बनो, इंजीनियर बनो, लॉयर बनो. बट ये समय आ रहा है कि बच्चे अपने माँ बाप से ये सुनते हैं बेटा बड़े होके एंटरप्रेन्योर बनो, बड़े होके पैशनप्रेन्योर बनो. समय बदल गया है. और today we have so many abilities like social media. You can reach people at the click of the button. You do not need to do a lot of spending on ads and this thing. We do it, which is different, but you don't need to do it. जब मैंने पहली बार शुरुआत की थी first year में, I made 1 crore in business. I did not spend any money on ads. So there are people who are running an individual business, solopreneurs making multiple crores. You don't need team, you don't need factory, you don't need capital, you don't need a lot. You need an internet and a magical device called tablet or cell phone or computer, and you can make money. Now what niche to choose, how to go about it, that is a longer conversation. But just trust me that there are ways you can monetize your passion. Like hundreds and thousands of my mentees have done it without spending money, right? That's number 2. Number 3, guaranteed success. Low risk. A lot of people say, business is risky, business is hard, business, बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Let me tell you, it's all garbage. Business is not risky. There may be a little bit of risk, but it's a very low risk as compared to what you do in a job, because you're dependent only on one income stream in a job. Tomorrow if your boss does not like your face, game over, right? Company does not do well, your CEO goes mad, game over, right? Economy goes down, game over. There's a huge risk in job, and there's a low risk in business. You know why? Because you do not depend in business on one product or one service or one client, and that's why the risk gets divided. You can adapt in business very fast. My guru mantra, write it down. It is impossible to fail in business, provided you have winning idea and a winning process. When you can combine these two things, it is impossible to fail in business. This is my first business. 5 years, we made 40-50 crores annually turnover. We reached this place in just 5 years. Right? I don't have anybody from my family doing business. My dad was a truck driver. How did I do it? Because I just found the winning idea and found the winning process with help of my mentors. I built the impact and we generated this revenue. Anybody can do it. So it's a very low risk or no risk. It's a guaranteed success in business. जो लोग business में fail हो रहे हैं ना, they're failing because of their ignorance. Either they're choosing a wrong idea or they stuck to an idea which was right at one point of time, but now the world has changed. Now that idea is no longer good. Like if you're still selling radios, I don't know what to tell you, right? You have to upgrade to a new level. Today is a different world altogether. Right? So that's number 3. Number 4, fast results. If you look at the result that you produce in business is comparatively much faster as compared to job. Because even if you work hard in a job, you're still getting that paycheck. Your results are not, your impact to the world is only limited by what you do in a job. When you're in a business, you can impact 10 people and you can make, impact 100 people, so you can impact 1,000 people to 10,000. Your impact का जो scope है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा है. And because money is a byproduct of the value that you create in the marketplace, you can impact so many lives faster with help of gadgets and the tools that we have, internet, social media. So your results are much faster. You do not have to wait for 1 year or 2 years before you get your promotions or hike, right? And that brings me to the 5th, which is a relevant topic. It's called quantum leap. Result जब fast आते हैं आपके effort के, तो you can impact faster. Your results in terms of your business, you can grow faster in quantum leap. You see, in our business, we went from 1 crore to 2.5 crores to 16 crore to 17 crores to 27 crores. Sorry, 16 crores to 17 crore to 27 crore to 40-50 crores. How did we do it? It's a quantum leap. Employees do not understand the quantum leap in their job. They look for 5% hike, 10% hike. They don't look hard. Today if you're in a job, go to your boss, ask, boss, I want 100% hike. पूछ के देखो, पता है क्या होने वाला है? Fired. और से पागल हो गया, go back to your job, go back to your desk. तो ऐसा business में नहीं होता है, right? Job अलग है, business अलग है. Don't you think these are the good enough reason for you to even consider to start building your business? Now I understand, you will say, but what idea, Dev? I don't know what process. What if I don't, what if I don't have what it takes? Business बहुत ही आसान है, बहुत ही simple है, right? It just depends on the process. Now, I've been teaching this to my mentees for last 5 years. And so many of my mentees have actually got results from zero, no idea how to start a business, to becoming crorepati. And I can give you so many names: Ram Babu, Rakesh, Anju, Sudhita, Sudhir. So many people have become crorepati in different fields. Dupat Patel, right? Atul tutorials, so whether in training or non-training, physical or digital, right? Oh, my mentee Prakash Mohanta, he is in dog grooming business. He's got a quantum leap in his business. One of my mentee Himanshu, he is in advertising, right? He quit his job and became an advertiser. They are making consistently 3 to 4 lakh, 5 lakhs per month. Prakash Mohanta recently, now when you're watching this, would have grown to a different level, but he generated 14 lakhs in just 2 months. When would we do that in a job, right? On that speed, he can grow. Parul Khoth, in a beauty clinic, she is making 9 lakhs a month, where she was about to shut her business. From there to turnaround, Atul tutorial 1 crore plus in just few months. Thiru, Ayurvedic doctor, making 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs a month. How did they do it? It's a process. And there's never been a better time to learn, to start a business and grow a business. My name is Dev Gadhvi. I'm on a mission to transform 1 billion lives. If you're really serious, if you're really interested, check out the link, join the webinar that I share with you this process and learn, go all in, like how you did in formal education, which just made you an employee. Do it with self-education, which will take you from being an employee to becoming a passionpreneur. Follow the passion and build a business around it. Click the link and I'll see you soon. Take care and God bless you.